This is Mindy McIntosh Shutter, and I'm going to show you how to transplant Gerberas inside in the winter. Now, an important part of this process is to make sure that the new container that you're going to use has been thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. Once you have done that, you're going to need to create a drainage layer in your pot. Now, that drainage layer can be broken pot shards or a coffee filter. Once you have the drainage material inside the pot, place a nice layer of soil. All-purpose potting soil will be perfectly fine. And now you're ready to place your Gerbera daisy in its new home. Now, if you've got Gerbera daisies in containers already, dig them out of the container. If the container is small enough, turn it upside down, squeeze the sides, and gently tap on the bottom to release the Gerbera. Once you have the plant in your hand, tease the roots, and this will prevent the roots from growing in that permanent circular shape that they have been growing in their original container. Place it in the new container, add soil, making sure not to plant the Gerbera any deeper than what it was in its original container, and then gently tap on the table to settle the soil. The last step of this process is you will need to thoroughly water in the plant material until moisture comes out of the bottom of the container.